welcome back. Today I am filming my 3 looks 1 palette with the Rimmel Crimson Palette. I thought this would be a great time to go ahead and film my 3 looks with this palette just because Valentine's Day is right around the corner and I feel like this palette is perfect for Valentine's Day. Like, it has really pretty reds and pinks. So I hope that you guys do enjoy this. So if you would like to see this makeup look and 2 other looks, just keep on watching and I'm gonna go ahead and get into the tutorials. For this first look, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer and just priming both of my eyelids. Then I'm just using the 3rd shade over in the Morphe M433 brush and I'm just blending that shade into my crease and also slightly in my outer V. Then to deepen up the outer V, I'm going in with the 2nd to the last shade and I'm just blending this. First I'm just focusing it in the outer V area and then slowly just kind of dragging it or blending it into the crease. And then I'm also putting some on the last kind of 1/3 of my eyelid, just making sure that all of that's blended really well. And then I'm gonna go back with that 3rd shade again and that same blending brush, and I'm just gonna go around the edges of that darker color just to make sure it's blended with the crease shade, making sure that there's no harsh edges. And then I'm going in with this pretty pink and the Wet n Wild small concealer brush, and I'm just patting that color on the first half of my eyelid. And I do go in a couple of different times to build that color up to make it more intense. Then I'm just getting some more of that pink on the Morphe M506 brush and I'm just blending that there with the outer V color, making sure there's no harsh lines. And then I'm going in with this red and putting that in between the pink shade and the dark brown. I just found that that just blended everything better and I liked the way that that looked. And then I'm just going in with my mascara. And then I'm going to be using false lashes today. I just really feel like false lashes make this look. And I'm just using the Ardell Demi Wispies. I wanted to smoke out the lower lash line, so I'm going in with that 3rd shade that I used in my crease and the Real Technique shading brush, and I'm just smoking that out there on the lower lash line. I just love that brush for like smoking colors on the lower lash line. And then I'm putting some more of that bright pink in my inner corner. And then I'm gonna go over top of that with this Becca Highlight in Prismatic Amethyst. And I just wanted the inner corner to look just extra like pink and shimmery. So that's why I went in with this highlight just to brighten it up. And I'll also use this as my brow bone highlight as well. I'm just going in with my same eyeshadow primer, and I do recommend using an eyeshadow primer with these shadows. It just helps to make them look more intense and keeps them from creasing. So once again, I'm going in with that same crease color and just blending that all in my crease. I don't really put it in the outer V too much, just mainly up in the crease. Then I want to define the crease just a little more, so I'm going in with this Sigma E45 brush. It's just a really nice brush for just getting colors really precisely in the crease because it's like tapered into a point. And then I'm going in with the last shade and the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm really focusing this color in the outer V. I really want the outer V to look really dark and smoky, so I'm just kind of building the colors. For the lid, I'm going to use this shimmery champagne color and the Sigma E60, the large shader brush. And I'm just packing that color on the first half of my eyelid. Like, you could just stop right here and I feel like that look would be pretty, but I wanted to just give it something more. So I'm going in with the red and putting that color in between the lid shade and the outer V color, and then I'm just blending that. And then I'm going back in with that really dark brown and blending the outer V some more, just making sure everything is blended, going back with the crease color, and like I said, just making sure everything's blended well. Then for my eyeliner, I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Deep Brown, and I'm not doing a super dramatic wing with this. I'm just kind of slightly pulling up the edge. You could do a dramatic wing with this look, and I feel like it would look nice since the outer V is dark and smoky. But I also wanted to smoke out the liner, so I'm just going in with that dark brown and the Real Techniques detailer brush, and I'm just smoking out the liner. I just love to do this technique lately with this brush. I don't know, I just have really been enjoying it. And then I'm just going in with my mascara and just putting a lot of coats of that on. You could totally wear false lashes with this look and it would look really good. And then I'm just smoking out the lower lash line with the same colors that I used in the crease and in the outer V. This last look is just so fun and girly. I just love the way that this last look turned out. So once again, I'm just priming my eyelids, and these next steps, you could have just used the Sigma E25 for all these steps. Like if I was to go back and do this makeup look, that's what I would have done. But I'm just blending that pink color in my crease. And then I'm gonna go in with that same pink shade and put that on the last like third of my eyelid, and also on the front like part of my eyelid. I kind of leave the middle shade just free of this pink because I'm gonna do a halo eyeshadow look. So that's what I'm saying. You could have totally used the E25 to do that instead of all those different brushes. So now I'm going in with the Sigma E45, and I'm just kind of shaping out the crease a little more to make it more defined. And then I'm going in with that champagne color. I got some of it on the brush and then just misted it with a makeup setting spray just to make that color more intense and to give it some more definition. And then I'm just shaping that out there up in the crease and just placing that right on the center of my eyelid. And then I'm going back and making sure that the crease is defined. Then I'm just applying some mascara and some really pretty flirty lashes. These are the Ardell Glamour 122s. As always, I will have all the makeup products that I used today linked and listed down below, so just check that out. So I hope that you guys did enjoy these 3 different looks using the Rimmel Crimson Palette. Let me know down in the comments which look was your favorite. I just think all these looks turned out so cute, and especially for Valentine's Day. So yeah, just let me know which one was your favorite. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I hope that you guys have a great day and a happy Valentine's Day, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.